Hi. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Looking
Thank
lovely.
you. Thank you.
Hello. और उनके साथ है डॉक्टर मनीष, जो उनके पुराने दोस्त हैं। तो आप मुझे ये बताइए, आपने बाइक कहाँ पार्क की है?
Not really. In Delhi now, नहीं चलाते हैं.
नहीं चलाते हैं।
But I'm fond of it.
I am sure we heard about it. क्या आप इनके साथ बाइक रेसिंग पर कभी गए हैं?
I've told her many times to come,
हाँ.
but
She stopped being a biker?
No.
Okay, please come, please.
Thank you.
आप हमें ये बताइए, उस दिन क्या हुआ था?
मेरी सर्जरी शेड्यूल थी.
जी.
13 अक्टूबर 2003 ऑपरेशन टेबल पर लेटे हुए शर्मिला को लगा कि जैसे वो अपने शरीर से बाहर है। उन्होंने अपने आप को पाया एक ऐसी दुनिया में जो मौत और जिंदगी से परे थी। वो एक ऐसा सफर था जिसे वो आज तक समझ नहीं पाई। आखिर हुआ क्या था? कहाँ थी शर्मिला?
तो शर्मिला जी, आपने क्या देखा और उसका क्या मतलब है, ये जानने के लिए बुलाते हैं दो ऐसे स्पिरिचुअल हीलर्स को जो हमें ले चलेंगे एक ऐसे सफर पर जो जिंदगी और मौत की पहुंच से परे हैं। सो लेट्स वेलकम मॉडर्न डे गुरुज डॉक्टर न्यूटन एंड डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी। A warm welcome to you, Dr. Newton, please, and to you, Dr. Lakshmi, please. शर्मिला और डॉक्टर मनीष। डॉक्टर न्यूटन, हम आपसे ये जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंसेस एक जरिया है वो जानने के लिए जो हम नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टांसेस में नहीं जान सकते?
Yes, it is one of the ways.
जी.
It's a zaria for near-death experience can show about the solutions because we are not learning that particular lesson
जी.
through normal ways or
हाँ.
natural ways. Like for example, meditation,
जी.
dhyan.
जी.
Naturally, a person has all the understandings,
जी.
all that knowledge, how to flow with the life and with all the easiness.
Right.
But when we are not doing it, universe and intelligence, the soul inside us knows its own ways
जी.
to show us
जी.
the greater lessons. So one of the ways is near-death experience.
So it's like सोल आपको एक वर्कबुक भेजता है और आप स्टार्ट करते हो एग्जाम।
Yes.
ओके, डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, आप हमें ये बताइए कि नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंसेस के पीछे आई एम श्योर साइंटिफिक रिसर्च है, उस पर आप थोड़ी रोशनी डाल सकते
या
हैं?
नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंसेस के ऊपर बहुत रिसर्च हुआ है
जी.
ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड
जी.
एंड स्पेशली यहाँ हम यहीं पे हम वी हैव टू रिमेंबर डॉक्टर रेमंड मूडी एंड हिज रिसर्च वाज इमेंस. डॉक्टर रेमंड मूडी एक मेडिकल डॉक्टर है और इन्होंने नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंसेस के ऊपर इतना रिसर्च करा है और इन हिज बुक लाइफ आफ्टर लाइफ ही हैज डॉक्यूमेंटेड ऑलमोस्ट 150 केसेस.
Oh my God.
I must say that actually the word near-death experience is coined by Dr. Raymond Moody.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
He's the one actually who
Yeah.
has first time spoke about in a book.
बुक, राइट.
So far, so many places,
Yeah.
even the historical times like 350 BC or 420 BC, like
Ji.
Plato has written a book, Republic.
Okay.
In that he was mentioning about a soldier called Er. So the soldier has gone through a near-death experience. In the war field, he died.
अच्छा.
And he revisited back.
I see.
So 400 BC.
सो तब से हम ये ह्यूमैनिटी के अवेयरनेस में तब से नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंसेस है जी. जो एक्सपीरियंस इस एक्सपीरियंस के दौरान आता है, क्या वो सिर्फ इन्हीं एक्सपीरियंसेस से के ज़रिए मिलता है या आम जैसे कि लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल मी, इफ आई वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, हाउ वुड आई डू इट?
Okay. Actually, there is a way,
यस.
natural way.
यस.
To have these kind of journeys out of the body. So through meditation,
हाँ.
dhyan, when we meditate, when we empty the mind, many meditators, they do get this experience of astral travel or journeying outside their bodies. So enough of this research was done.
जी. जब नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं तब क्या आपका सेंसरी सिस्टम
Right.
बहुत हाइटन होता है?
Yes. What happens is whenever we are going out of this body into a larger framework, like consciousness,
जी.
what happens is suddenly there is a heightened awareness.
जी,
So all the senses, apart from these five senses, there are many other senses we have.
True.
Actually, which is not known to our mind, which is not known to the logical mind.
क्योंकि रेफरेंस पॉइंट तो है
Yes.
नहीं हमारे पास।
Right.
आप हमें बताएंगे उस सेंसस के बारे में थोड़ा?
So inner senses will actually access the information beyond time and space. Because once we reach to that point of consciousness, we transcend the
जी.
time-space barriers. So just a second can be hundreds of years.
जी.
That's why in near-death experiences, a person in a flash, in 1 second, reviews the entire life.
जी, जी,
All the moments are there in front of the eyes. So
इसे हम एक्स्ट्रा सेंसरी परसेप्शन या
Perception.
सिक्स सेंस कहते हैं।
जी,
या
राइट।
that has actually no limitation. So we have senses about the time, space, and sometimes it's like a visual sense, which is not the visual sense in the physical eyes.
क्योंकि
It
वो-
is something very different. It has 360-degree vision. That's why when a person is in a out-of-body state, near-death experience, they see 360-degree vision.
जी.
They have the perception of all the directions.
All-
They sense, they feel, they smell, and it's very acute, very, very heightened.
जब नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस अनुभव करता है कोई, तो आउट ऑफ बॉडी एक्सपीरियंस उसका हिस्सा होता ही है। right?
Definitely, it is one of the components
Right,
of
right.
ND,
Right.
near-death experience,
जी.
where a person can just see the very detached state, witnessing state,
जी.
that they understand that this body is a physical vessel, like a medium, like a vehicle. So that gives them the very deep understanding that I'm not the body. Most of the times in the operation theaters,
जी.
many patients, while they're going through the surgeries, general anesthesia is given.
जी.
So in the deep relaxed state, they go out of body. They watch the entire surgery being done.
जी.
And even they hear the conversations
अच्छा.
between doctors and nurses. Every bit of it.
It's magical. What you're
Magical,
saying
actually.
is magical. Absolutely.
Because they are completely, medically speaking, they are unconscious. But near-death experience and out-of-body experiences are saying that they're not unconscious. They're super conscious, actually.
Super-conscious.
Hyper alert, heightened awareness. They're able to actually hear every word that is being uttered in the operation theaters.
जी, इसका मतलब है we've got proof that we are only consciousness.
Yes.
We are conscious.
We are consciousness.
consciousness.
So शर्मिला, क्या आप तैयार हैं अपने अनोखे सफर पर चलने के लिए?
Yeah. Very excited to go through it.
तो चलिए एक ऐसे सफर पर जो जिंदगी और मौत की पहुंच से परे हैं, और इस सफर पर मिलेगी दोबारा जिंदगी। आइए।
आज शर्मिला गाइडेड मेडिटेशन यानी मार्गदर्शित ध्यान के जरिए अपने अनुभव को दोबारा जिएंगी, और इस बार उनके साथ हैं डॉक्टर न्यूटन और हम सब। आज डॉक्टर न्यूटन शर्मिला के अनोखे अनुभव में छुपे संदेश को जानने में उनकी मदद करेंगे। आज वो जानेंगी कि ऐसी क्या चीज है जिसके बिना उनकी जिंदगी भरी पूरी होने के बावजूद अधूरी सी है।
क्या आप तैयार हैं? Right. आप आंखें बंद कीजिए और गहरी लंबी सांसें लीजिए। Allow yourself to go into a deeper relaxation. Allow yourself to go deeper. from top of your head to the bottom of your feet, let every part of your body totally relax. I would like you to visualize, picturize yourself climbing down the steps of a staircase. This is a beautiful symbolic journey into the depths of this relaxation. As you start climbing down the steps of the staircase, you will be going deeper, deeper, yet deeper. I'm going to count 5 to 1. 5, down, down, deeper, deeper. 4, letting go of every stress and tension. Going deeper, deeper into this beautiful relaxation now. 3, much deeper, sinking deeper into very profound, tranquil, relaxed states. As I count now the 2, you'll be feeling more safe, more secure to relax. The relaxation deepens thousands of times. 2, you will be transcending the boundaries, limitations, time, space, body, mind. You'll be projected to a most beautiful, enchanting place of nature, your favorite place of nature, where you feel completely relaxed. 1. Allow yourself to be one with that experience, one with that relaxation. You can now start narrating me about whatever that you are perceiving, feeling, experiencing in that nature. You'll be going deep, deep, deep into the relaxation as you start narrating me about it.
बहता हुआ पानी, पंछी, नाइस ब्रीज हवा, सनशाइन, सूरज,
Allow yourself to go into that significant memory that happened in your life. Very, very important memory for you to know now. At this point of time, you can start describing me about what is happening, what you are experiencing.
ऑपरेशन टेबल पे लेटी हुई हूँ, काफ़ी ठंड है, प्रिपरेशन हो गया है, एनेस्थेटिस्ट साथ में खड़े हैं, इंजेक्टेड थ्रू द वेन हाथ की,
I'd like to start watching that operation theater where you are going through that operation in that moment. Have this aerial view and describe me what you are seeing, feeling, perceiving.
gynecologist
Right.
is working. अपना प्रोसीजर कर रहे हैं. I'm comfortable.
You're comfortable. Right.
No pain. सब कुछ ठीक होगा.
Right.
They are happy
Yes.
what they are doing. I'm anxious, scared. पता है कि I would be safe, सुरक्षित होंगी.
Right.
Still, that fear is there. Anxiety is there.
Completely experience it. Start narrating.
Anesthesia का इफेक्ट जब होने लगा,
Yeah.
I felt relaxed.
Right.
मुझे लगा was a tranquilized state. शरीर से ऊपर उठ रही हूँ. These beautiful pink clouds, plenty of them, बहुत सारे.
Yes.
And I entered these clouds, pink clouds. The feeling was wonderful. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Right.
Beyond all the worries and tensions and stress,
Yes.
feeling completely safe, surakshit. And it was a bliss, very light.
Right. Completely. Be in that experience now. Go to the depths of this experience now. When you are in the pink clouds, how you're feeling, explore.
बहुत शांति है.
Yes.
The blissful peace is there.
I'd like you to explore more of this pink clouds.
There's a bright line beyond.
Yes.
I can see it.
Tell me more about this bright light which you're perceiving.
It's like you feel very fresh, enthusiastic.
Right.
उत्साह और जोश, जैसे क्लाउड्स में डल फीलिंग आता है, उसके बाद when the sun comes.
Right. In this state of consciousness, if you're just meeting that person in your life whom you want to completely understand this relationship, understand this harmony, understand this beauty, the fragrance of that, who would be that person that you'll be meeting there?
मैं अकेली हूँ.
Right.
Feeling loved,
Feeling loved,
no more lonely.
no more lonely. Right.
मुझे लगता है
Yes.
my father, who passed away in 2006, and my brother, elder brother,
Right.
लगता है I didn't understand them इस जर्नी में as a human life. They supported me
Right.
in whatever role they were given. So वो अपनी ड्यूटी कर रहे थे टू सपोर्ट मी.
Right.
मुझे लगता है मैं उनको समझ नहीं पाई. And I might have been harsh at times,
Right.
not loving towards them. I want to ask them to forgive me.
Right. Right. I'd like you to now meet your father. Communicate what you want to express. Communicate with him.
I just hope that they forgive me.
Right.
I don't know.
Right.
And I extend this forgiveness to me.
Right.
For intentionally, unintentionally,
Right.
I have been rude to them.
Right. Can you forgive yourself right this moment, connected with the universal consciousness which is supporting you?
Yeah.
Right.
With the understanding I got now,
Right.
with the knowledge and wisdom,
Right.
मैं खुद को forgive कर पा रही हूँ.
Right. Now, I'd like you to communicate with your father and your brother. What are they communicating to you?
मुझे लगता है वो कह रहे हैं कि it's okay.
Right.
There is no need to have guilt now.
Right. I'd like you to have a big picture of this current life.
मुझे लगता है हर कोई जो मेरे साथ कुछ समय तक बचपन से लेकर कुछ समय तक थे, they were making me strong
Right.
to take my own decisions खुद के. So they supported me in being weak.
Right.
So I had to take my own decisions.
Yes. This point of time, start slowly, slowly coming back from the pink clouds into the body, bringing back all this wisdom, the wisdom of your soul. As you slip inside the body, feel how you're feeling. Notice what your body is feeling.
I'm comfortable.
You're comfortable, right? At this point of time, progress to that moment when you are coming out of that anesthetic state. Progress to that moment when you are coming out of that anesthetic state. Progress to that moment when you opened your eyes. In that post-operative period, like you to describe what you are experiencing. Allow yourself to be there in that moment. You can tell me about
Feeling light, हल्का लग रहा है.
Halka, right?
कहीं भी वेदना नहीं है.
In that moment, I'd like to tell me about people who are with you when you opened your eyes after the operation.
Nurse
Right.
और ward boy,
Yes.
they were wheeling me out. बाहर लेके जा रहे थे स्ट्रेचर पे. और उसके बाद रूम में ले आए. और मैं ठीक थी. Normal as if nothing has happened.
धीरे धीरे वर्तमान पर लौट आइए. Whenever you are ready, start slowly opening your eyes. Good. Right. Sharmila, how are you feeling? Wonderful.
सफ़र पर उनके साथ वे बाहर लौटी. डॉक्टर शर्मिला को वापस उस मुकाम पर कनेक्ट किया जहाँ वो शायद ऐसा उन्हें लग रहा था कि कोई मुझे प्यार नहीं करता, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं है. और उसके बाद वापस आने के बाद ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन तो हम देख ही रहे हैं.
Yes.
और डॉक्टर मनीष ने वैलिडेट भी कर दिया है. तो आप इस प्रोसेस के बारे में थोड़ा सा हमें एक संदेश या मैसेज देंगे?
Definitely.
Ji.
Actually, it could see during the session that before this NDE, near-death experience, Sharmila was going through lot of things which has made her to land up some physical problems, emotional, psychological issues,
जी.
right? Confidence, low self-esteem, all those issues.
जी.
And the third thing, this middle finger, represents our gyan or wisdom or intellect. That means actually we also have quest. I could see that during the session she actually want to find answers. This is the answers. We want to know why this is happening. What's the reason? Why I'm like this? Who am I?
जी.
What is my meaning of my life? And then the fourth one, it represents the soul.
I see.
In the near-death experience there, out-of-body experience, she could see, herself away from the body. A realization has dawned into her
Ji.
that I am not only the body,
जी.
and not only the mind and
Mind.
emotions, and not only the intellect, I am Atma. I am the soul. I am the consciousness. And another beautiful thing happened. This fifth finger is what is called as universal consciousness.
Oh.
We call Paramatma, we call different
Chaitanya,
names, Ishwar, whatever names we call.
जी.
Ishwar, Allah, Tere Naam, we
Ji.
keep hearing about this. It is that state. That's why this thumb is totally perpendicular. It is altogether in different direction.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत संदेश आपने हमें दिया है डॉक्टर न्यूटन. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी फॉर बीइंग विद अस एंड गाइड.
थैंक यू.
जिंदगी की ऐसी ही किसी कमी को पूरा करने के लिए ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं. बस ज़रूरत है तो इन्हें करीब से जानने की. हमारी कोशिश भी यही है कि ज़िंदगी ही बने हर मुस्कान की वजह. ये मत जानिए कि ज़िंदगी में कितने पल हैं, ये जानिए कि हर पल में कितनी ज़िंदगी है. कल एक बार फिर डॉक्टर न्यूटन और डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी के साथ चलेंगे एक ऐसे सफ़र पर जिसकी मंजिल है एक बेहतर सोच, एक बेहतर ज़िंदगी. कल फिर मिलेगी दोबारा ज़िंदगी. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.